Damn. Alright guys, you guys are gonna hear this amazing exhaust real quick. Put you down here. I know it sounds like booty cheeks, but that's because of my white pipe. And here I have the new white pipe. That's what we're gonna install today. Just listen to it. The white pipe is not good. It's literally blown by the little I forget what it's called, but it's like the little the flex side of it, of the thing. So yeah, it's blown. So I'm installing the Z1 white pipe today. So let's go. I'm excited because this thing sounds like a freaking tractor. Alright, so I want to give you guys an example real quick of what my car sounds like. It's pretty bad. It's way too loud for what it should be. Yeah, it just sounds really bad. Like, you guys have no idea. You guys are gonna hear the difference when I put on the white pipe. We just got here. These guys have like their own mechanic shop outside. It's insane. Look at this. Damn, doggy. Damn. Dude, he was so close. That guy almost messed up. Damn, that shit's nice though. Jeez. Damn, bright as hell. Look at this clean ass. Look at that, clean as hell. Well, we are replacing. What is it you guys are doing there? Resurfacing. Resurfacing. That's what it is. That's what it is. Resurfacing.
The other one.
The big tubes.
The BB?
Yeah.
You need a microscope to look at that shit. Yeah, you do. You ain't got none of that shit around here. Yep, Asian gang, nigga. I thought you needed a microscope to see it, bitch.
Come on here, bitch.
Yeah, I think you worked for the bubble.
Damn, that thing went in. Oh, wow.
There you go. So this is this side.
Wait, where's the
Yeah,
gasket?
I'm just test fitting right now.
Oh, okay, okay.
Where's the...
Alright, so we got the two of them on perfectly. The gasket, we just gotta tighten everything. Looking beautiful. Beautiful.
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. Alright, so now we're gonna start it up. I don't think it's in gear. Z1 test pipes, Z1 white pipe. Oh my god. Rev it a little. Yes. I'm sorry to tell you guys, but we failed. Pretty bad. This thing is literally open white pipe now.
For the win.
For the win. We didn't tighten it. I guess we didn't do it tight enough. Like, that thing sounds loud. So I already checked it though. Literally, it's leaking from the back side of the white pipe. I guess we didn't do it tight enough. Not sure, because I was literally there and we did it all together. So we're gonna try it again tomorrow. Put some gasket maker. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy how the car is right now. It's never this loud. But yeah, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, so I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what it was that happened last night and why the car ended up sounding like this instead of how it was supposed to sound like. Pretty much it was a rookie mistake, but you know, I just didn't know, and my friends just didn't remember at the time. Okay, so when you order the aftermarket white pipe, they obviously expect you to have already like a catback exhaust, like a Tome or something, and I don't have any. I don't have a catback exhaust. I have a normal OEM muffler. Anyways, right at the end of the white pipe, it turns into 3-inch, right? So the muffler that comes with the OEM muffler is 2.5. So there's literally 0.5 of spacing. Like, there's obviously, it doesn't match up, so one hole is bigger than the other, so that's why it leaks. So my white pipe is too big for the actual muffler. My white pipe is 3-inch right at the end, pointing towards the muffler, and then where the muffler and the white pipe is supposed to go together, right at the end, the muffler is 2.5, so it's obviously not gonna work out. But you know, I didn't know that at the time, but that's why I say it's a learning thing. So for now, I'm just gonna enjoy my open white pipe, I guess. I'm gonna take off my muffler though, because I am gonna go racing tonight if it does not rain. Have not vlogged anything. Oh shit. I feel like a rookie, man. But whatever. Took this thing out. Took it out. Now we are officially open white pipe. We've been on this for like too long for no reason. It was raining the whole time. Cold as hell. But we finally got it. Little update. I turned on the car and you know how it was loud before? This is my exhaust is literally right here. I have the whole exhaust in here. The trunk is a little bit open. Don't even ask, guys. This is the only thing we could do right now. All right, guys. So I put you guys on my head right now because I just want you guys to hear the car right now. It's insane, insanely brutal. I do not recommend this for nobody.
I recommend this.
No, definitely not. Just listen to. I'm just gonna cruise right now. I'm gonna ship like at 3,000 RPM. Freaking brutal. Straight brutal.
Sounds amazing.
No. We're gonna see what we could do tonight. I don't think we're really gonna race because it's pretty much wet roads. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I am racing with open white pipe. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna race my cousin again. Same G37. Gutted, tuned, intakes, exhaust. Normal things. Not full bolt on because he's still missing like 3 other things for full bolt on, but yeah. I was just actually doing some donuts right now and I was like somewhat practicing my drifting, you know. I was just trying to get, I'm learning it, you get me? I'll put that in here. I know it's not the best. You want to do a 40 roll first, then a 50? Daddy, do your burnout. Damn, dog. Let's go again though. Maybe he misshifted or something. I keep slipping, bro.
Burnout.
Yeah, I think this side is drier too.